Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson Work Around Us. Fill in the blanks. We need to dash in order to earn money. We need to work. A person who helps to clean the house and utensils in your home is called domestic worker. A person who takes care of your garden is called gardener. The work a person does in order to earn money is called his or her occupation. Teaching requires dash skills and training. Special. Choose the correct answer. The work done at home is called child labor, domestic work, occupation, mental work, domestic work. A person whose help we require daily is an doctor, tailor, engineer, domestic help. Domestic help. What does a plumber repair? Clothes, water pipes, bricks, utensils. Water pipes. What is the work of the police? To catch thieves, to keep us safe, both A and B, neither A or B. C, both A and B. Young children sometimes go to work because they are poor. Their parents send them to work. They can't pay school fees. All of this. Match the rows. Sweeper cleans the surroundings. Postman delivers letters. Carpenter makes furniture. Cobbler mends shoes. Engineer designs and makes building. Right, true or false? You have to pay the domestic worker to work for you. True. The tailor is a person who delivers letter for you. False. The job of a doctor is to catch thieves. False. The job of a driver is to drive a motor vehicle on the road. True. The job of an actor is to act. True. Answer the following questions. What do you understand by domestic work? The work done at home is called domestic work. Cooking, cleaning, cleaning the house, dusting, laundry, gardening, grocery shopping, and paying bills are the example for domestic work. Understood? What is an occupation? The work a person does in order to earn money is called his or her occupation. Understood? Next. What is manual labor? Most people go out of their homes to work. There are many different kinds of jobs they do. Some jobs require greater manual labor and skill. Example, tailor, paperboy, greengrocers, postman. Why it is important to help your parents at home? When our parents go out to work, they came back home very tired. If they have to do a lot of housework, they will not have any leisure time. This will make them tired and unhappy. So, it is important to help our parents at home. Why is child labor not a good thing? In big cities, we often see young children working along with their parents in order to earn money. These children can't go to school as their families can't pay the fee. Their parents often do not even earn enough money to buy food for everyone in the family. Often the children are forced to work for long hours and not paid as much as adults. This is called child labor. Understood? For this, we finished our lesson 5, work around us. Tomorrow we will see plants around us. Okay? Thank you.